What's the meaning of atively? Atively. Atively.
Atively. Atively. Atively is a suffix that can be added to the end of certain words to change their meaning. It is often used to create adverbs that describe how something is done, or to indicate a relation or connection to something else. For example, comparatively means to compare something to something else, while cooperatively means to work together with others. Overall, the addition of atively can add depth and nuance to language, allowing for more precise and specific communication.